none of the equipment that I used in this video is what I use today. And the quality is just so much better. I mean, even your cell phone is better than this quality. And I think this was like back in either 14 or 15, which was several years ago. Now, taking a closer look at this, I think the camera that I was using was a Canon 7D, which has been long retired. And the light that I was using was an Alien B. I love that light. I still love that light to this day. If you notice on the light, there's a battery hanging down from it. That's like, it still works, but that's like old. I don't know if there are very many people using that today. You can get a monolight with a battery attached with a trigger that's all in one, and it's even high speed sync. Usually photographers have that model that they worked with and they brought along, and they were able to watch and see their development. JMP is one of those models, and I'm trying to get her to get back into modeling. You know, you have school, you have work, you have just life in general and growing up as a model. It takes a little bit of work and it takes a little bit of dedication to stay with it. So, JMP, if you are listening, call me. It's really surprising at how those archives really build up, and what you find out is that you can learn quite a bit from going back through some of your old footage, and it could really provide some inspiration to you to see how much you've changed, and even to see how much the people that you've worked with, how much they changed, the impact and the influence that you have had, the things that you've taught them that now they're doing so much better. and then I'll get stuck. I go back to the archives, I look at it, and it'll bring back some things that and remind me of working on some things that maybe I've gotten lax with today. But one of the most important things is that if you have archives, back up your archives, because when that footage is gone, it's gone. I want to thank you guys for tuning in, stopping by, checking out what we're doing. I'm really hoping that I'm going to be able to kickstart and push JMP to get her back into shooting, because she is really a talented and gifted model. There's a lot of talented and gifted models. It just so happens that I have worked with her quite a bit, done quite a bit of shooting, location shots, studio shots, from A to Z. So remember, you can sit on the sidelines and talk about everybody else and come up with all kinds of little critiques and wrong things about what someone else is doing. Or you can pick up a camera yourself, cell phone, whatever, and create your own archives. Just remember to protect them and to back them up. Back them up. So again, until next time, have fun, be safe, and I'll see you on the other side.